Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add music or audio to Canva. So there are two ways. So the first way is if you want to use Canva by default or Canva available music. So in order to use the music available in Canva, you guys have to just simply go to apps, and here in the app section, you guys have to just simply scroll down and here click on audio. So after clicking on audio, it will provide you a library. It will contain lots of music. Some are premium and some are free. So in order to use premium music, you guys must have to be a pro account on Canva. But don't worry about it. If you have free account, you guys can use lots of free music available. So this is the first method of using the music in your Canva, and the second method of using is if you want to use audio from your phone, computer, or any other source. So you guys have to simply go to upload section, and here you guys have to just simply click on upload files, and here you guys have to just simply select the audio file which you want to use. For example, I'm using this one, and in this way you guys can use this kind of audio file from your device, or you guys can extract audio from any other sources like Google Drive or your social media profiles. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.